Hey guys, Greg with Planet Green Zen, and thank you guys for coming to my YouTube channel. And for those of you who've never been here before, or this is your first time, what I like to do on this channel is just inspire the world in 5 main areas of life, which are mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. And I truly believe from the bottom of my heart that if we all on this entire planet had a holistic balance of these areas, we actually can just make a difference. We will have world peace, eliminate hunger, abolish nuclear war and slavery, and just be all wealthy and healthy and prosperous and abundant together. So again, if you like my messages, please like these videos, please subscribe, please share it, please comment below, and just let me know some of your thoughts. Today's video is actually on should you have a side hustle or work hard? And it's kind of like a question, like should you have a side hustle? And me personally, I do believe yes, that you should, because even though you may have your main job, some people love their careers and what they do, which is totally fine. But I do believe you should have something on the side that you're doing and building and growing too, because a lot of times people kind of get stagnant or in that mundane type of life where you're not learning anymore, you're not growing, you're not challenging yourself, you're just kind of going through the motions, and then 40, 50 years later you can have regrets in life. So having a side hustle, again, it gets you out of your comfort zone, it gets you to get on the priority schedule, prioritize your schedule and your time, because your time is really valuable at that point, because when you get out of your work, you're 8 to 5, 9 to 5, you only have a little bit, a few hours left before you need to go to sleep to do it over again. So during that spare time, instead of just laying on the couch watching TV, not doing anything, learn, educate yourself, maybe build a side business just so you can grow and learn. Again, there's many different things out there that can actually help you achieve greatness and actually to expand your mind. Again, some people like to do network marketing, some people like to do real estate, some people like to do insurance, and some people like to do internet marketing, affiliate marketing. There's many different things out there you can do. A lot of it you can do from your home nowadays. So again, when you get off work, you come home and then you just maybe a couple hours a day, you start to build your business, educate yourself on something. Starting an LLC. What are some good business models there? What are some good topics and good things that people need in their life that needs fixing, whether it's health, wealth, relationships, something like that, or an invention idea. Again, work on that in your spare time, because it's always good to know that you have enough money coming in residually. So then, for example, worst case scenario happens, knock on wood that it doesn't happen, but you lose your job, and then you don't have anything, no money left over. You don't have 6 to 12 months of income left. You're stressing out, and you just don't want that to happen. So what you want to do is actually just start to develop some habits to build a business, maybe build some residual income, invest in things, learn how to do so, because that financial literacy is really not taught in school. So you have to kind of learn it on your own. Okay, so I do believe it is good to have some type of side hustle, educate yourself on it. Again, examine, educate, and execute. I have a video on those 3 topics so you to know what that means when it comes to seeing what will be good for you to pursue. Okay, well, again, guys, this is a very quick video, but I just wanted to let you guys know that yes, it is good to have some type of side hustle, because it helps you grow and flourish and get to that next level in life. Again, if you guys do like my messages, please like, please subscribe, please share, and please comment below. Let me know what are you doing as far as for some side hustles outside of your regular corporate job. All right. Well, again, guys, Greg with Planet Green Zen. And also, one last thing I forgot to mention: if you guys need help manifesting what you want, developing the right mindset, I do have some links in the description below. Click on those, enter your email address, and you'll be redirected to some videos to watch, and it may help change your life. Okay, Greg with Planet Green Zen. I hope you guys have a great day.